and you did hit on the fact that we will have a very interesting topic to talk about, and this time's BNSM Paathshala. So should we take it across to Kunal directly?
Well, yes, Cheryl, let's go across to Kunal, and onto the screen we can see a very interesting topic, a topic which I really don't know about. So let's go across to him and learn about that. Very good morning, Kunal. Over to you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that, Srishti, as well as Cheryl. Good morning to all of you. Now, today's topic is interesting. It's something which is generally not present in most of the classic notes on technical analysis, but this is more of an observation-based analysis for stocks and patterns. Now, the topic for today is 3 to a break, which means how 3 important candlesticks, when the formation happens, for the particular stocks or an asset classes, leads into a very strong breakout or breakdown. In fact, many times we've seen actually trends reshaping themselves when we see such kind of a 3 candle consolidation. So the reason why consolidation is very important, because there are 2 important patterns which happens in consolidation. If consolidation happens at a top, which means there is some sort of distribution which is happening to the stock price, or when consolidation happens when the stock is about to get into a turnaround, we call it as an accumulation for the stocks. So it depends on how the consolidations are placed into stock prices. We've taken in case 3 monthly candles over here, because that gives us a broad term of consolidation for the charts, and we've taken a couple of examples over here. The first one is Coal India, a stock which has been in focus over the last couple of days based on the kind of rally which we've seen for the stock. Now, what's classical about the charts for Coal India is 3 months of, these are 3 candlestick patterns, and whenever the stock gets into a 3 months of consolidation, which means the range for the stock is restricted towards a point of maybe 4% to 5% on a monthly basis. Post that, we see a very big breakout into the stock prices. Now, how do we spot those breakout? Whenever the top or the bottom of this consolidation gets breached, whichever gets breached first is where we expect the stock to get into a breakout or a breakdown mode. In this case, when the stock had broken past about 240 levels, which was the previous or the 3 candle high, that's where we expected the stock to get into a big breakout mode. We saw similar kind of a stance for Coal India in 2021 when the stock went into a 3 month of very tight range. The moment the stock managed to break out, it led into the stock going into a very strong uptrend. We'll see one more example for the stock in a similar kind of a time span, where it's given a 3 month of consolidation. That's Bajaj Auto, and look at the history of the charts over here. 3 months of tight consolidation for the stock, and a stock like Bajaj Auto, which is generally a moderate to high beta stock. The moment the stock managed to break below its support, we saw the stock falling very sharply. And on the other hand, when the stock got into a break, a consolidation and a breakout of this consolidation on the upside, we saw the stock moving up from 3,000 to almost at 4,500 level. So that's an interesting topic. 3 month consolidation or 3 to a break, which leads into a very strong and fierce trends on stocks.
All right, something very new for all of us to learn in this time Paathshala, something that we've not even heard of actually. Thank you so much for that, Kunal. 3 to a break is the topic that we've discussed in today's Paathshala, and it won't take